Zurück in O4.
Mr. Mancer, I was sent by an important citizen. He's in need of your help and promises great support in return. He is waiting at the curiosities for you.
I'm guessing you're not gonna give me this important citizen's name.
No, just, he says he already owes you his life. I need to go. Can't risk people seeing us together. Goodbye.
Urteil auf Widerruf. Ja, ich muss in die Kneipe. Die Kneipe. Wie komme ich da am schnellsten um? Die Börse. Die Slums. Da müssen die umgehen. Das heißt, wir laufen hinten um. Er hat gesagt, ein bedeutender Bürger. Wir werden das sein. Pass auf, da geht dafür, oder? Oh Gott, halt euch fest. Es gibt eine Rauferei. Eine unschöne. So, ich bin der Black One, ha? Geh da hinten mit dem MG oder was? Ja, du nicht. Ja, schaut mal, die machen ernst. Tot ernst. Bräuchte eine Heilung. Auf der 5. Du später nicht. Hau den Deppen um. Dieser Weg? Noch nicht. Ja gut. Wo sagt mein Karten? Ich müsste da rechts laufen. Da rechts. Da muss ich oben. Ja, Chefin. Bist du auch noch da? Ja gut. Lauter Klump. Ja, die sind noch. Heuschrecken. Könnte bedeuten, dass ich gleich wieder absteige. Ja und? Jetzt hat Stufe 33. Ja, das sehe ich gern. Pass auf. Meine Fähigkeiten. Da herum haben wir den Technomancer und da unten den Gauner-Stil. Was haben wir da? Ist Magnetrüstung. Erhöht den Widerstand. Ein Schutzfeld. Ich weiß ja nicht. Brauche ich sowas? Ich nimm sie mal. Erhöht den Widerstand gegen jeden Schaden um 5%. Ja, das war nicht schlecht, gell? Nächster Punkt, Stufe 34. Und meine Talente. Charisma. Tarnung brauche ich nicht. Erkundung. Herstellen. Nehmen wir das. Das ist gut für die Gefährten. Was sagt er? Lichtbögen. Die Magnetrüstung. Die habe ich auf der 8. Ja gut. Wie schaut das aus? Aha, das ist die Rüstung. Ja, die hält aber nicht lang. Das ist sofort, oder? Mit der Rüstung. Also, Freunde, wo ist die Richtung? Da hinten. Die Slums, jawohl. Wird aber hurtig. Damit die vorwärts kommen.
Brightly today. Not even a slight bit suspicious? Maybe it's a trap.
Was sagt er? Misstrauen?
If it was, I don't think he'd have arranged it in front of one of the most popular bars.
Ja, ist ja
in
gut.
Ophir.
Keine Panik.
Victor's
Bin
so
doch dabei.
powerful that nothing he can do would surprise me. But you're right. There are easier ways of setting us up.
Und da mit die Kneipe. Curiosity. Ja gut. Mal schauen, wer der Bürger ist. Der ist oben. Oder vor der Tür schon. Aber oben waren doch die anderen, oder? Aber ich glaube, von denen gibt es keine Hilfe. Du, wie schaut denn aus?
Hello there, Zachariah. What do I have the pleasure?
Das darf anregen.
Some members of the Assembly are sensitive to public opinion. If the population was pushed to speak up and out against Victor and the ASC, I'm betting those members would be pretty quick to ditch him.
Zachariah, I appreciate your passion, but how many times do I have to tell you? I won't mobilize the resistance to support someone I can't fully trust, especially when it could put the population at risk. I wish you luck, though. I just can't help you. I'm sorry.
Ja, du blöde Kuh. Ich bin bescheuert, ha? Da musst du uns ja laut machen. Ja, dann halt nicht. Jetzt werde ich mal. Nicht da fahren. Der muss draußen sein. War da einer erinnert? Ja, kein Schwein da schon. War da die draußen? Ach, die da. Der Simon Judge.
Your Honor, I wish I'd known. You sent me that message?
I need to talk to you. I've kept an eye on you since you saved me. I never believed the lies the Colonel's been spreading about you. I just, unfortunately, did not know how I could be of help. Victor is a power-hungry sociopath, driven by his personal goals, destroying abundance. I've known it for years, but I could never do anything about it.
Why not?
4 years ago, my son disappeared, and soon after, I started receiving messages telling me that if I ever wanted to see him alive, I needed to make certain decisions in my court. I never knew for sure who was behind it, even if I had my suspicions. Only recently did it become clear. Every decision I was instructed to make cleared the way for Victor's rise to power. He's holding my son, making me his puppet. It has to stop. For my son, for abundance. Do you hear me? I have seen your strength with my own eyes. Save my son, and I promise you will not from this day forward fight the ASC alone. With my influence in the Assembly, I could easily have you reinstated.
I just want Victor to fall. That's enough for me. Any idea where he might be holding your son?
I wish I did. I know the ASC has secret facilities. Some say they're in the underworks. I don't know. Hearsay, perhaps. But if true, maybe someone in the army or mutants who helped build them might know better.
I'll do my best, Your Honor. I promise.
Ja gut, jetzt muss ich eben seinen Bumm auch noch befreien. Ja, aber sonst keine Sorgen. Das Hauptquartier der ASC. Da war nix. Und da hinten hält man die Mutanten, gell? Das war ja gar nicht weit. Da rechts hinten, gell? Machen wir gleich. Was sagst du? Amelia, Schnauze halten. Oh. Der Bandit, geh doch. Oh, geh doch. Bist du wahnsinnig? Au. Geh mir her mit der Knarre. Das hättest du gar nicht schaffst, ha? Da noch einer. Eine Endrunde. Also mit der Andrew, der liegt da schon wieder. Jetzt glaube ich, brauche ich eine Falle, ha? Bitte schön. Mit der die wo sein. Der Trottel ist weg. Der liegt da, genau. Wie schaut das Amelia? Gut, damit was, ha? Die spielt sich gerade. Hey, es ist Soldaten Brustplatte. Bräunig. Ja, der Beuten. Ein Klingenstreitkolben. Der war besser, gell? Aber die nötigen Fähigkeiten fehlen mir. Aber da wieder. Bei den Mutanten. Ihr Mutanten, es ist Zeit für die Revolution. Bei ihm? Oder bei ihr da?
Hey there.
Hello? What does the man want?
I'm Zachariah Mancer. I'm an ally of the Free Mutants, and I need some information.
She is listening, but is not sure she can help.
I know the ASC's got secret facilities somewhere in the city, probably in the slums. Probably use mutants to build them. I need to find them. You know where they are?
The man was lucky to find her. She worked to build the place. She knows the path under the source that leads straight to it. She can show it on a map.
Thanks. Yeah, that'd be a big help.
Betritt das Hauptquartier der ASC. Geht noch nicht. Was ist bedeutend? Ja, da drin. Du Chef, wie schaut denn aus?
Hey, are you the chief around here?
He is, yes. I am the chief of those who do not willingly bow to men. Do you wish to punish me?
No, I'm Zachariah Mancer. One of your people sent me. His name is Phobos. He asked me to help you run away.
I know that name. I feel like I'm dreaming. A human? Offering to help us? I won't say no, but I hope I don't wake up soon. I need explosives so we can blast our way into the underworld. But I cannot make any here. They would spot any contraband on me right away. If you can find explosives, we'll be able to make a hole big enough for us to escape through. And I need to warn some groups. You'll also need to give a rousing speech. Many of them are terrified of disobeying humans. But maybe they'll listen to you. Anyway, there's one last problem.
What?
We have a mole. There's a brother here who works for the humans. I haven't figured out who, but if we don't flush him out, our escape plan will have failed before it even began.
Any idea how to blow his cover?
Not sure, but if the human brings up our legendary icons, like Phobos or Scum, he might try to overdo it, and sing their praise to the moons.
All right, I'll take care of it.
This is still so odd, but I thank you.
Ja, Kumpel, nichts zu danken. Beschaffe eine Bombe. Und ich muss die Mutanten überreden zur Flucht. Amelia. Warte mal, kennt du aus?
Hi, Zach. How are you?
Hello, Amelia. I'm fine, thanks.
Chefin, ich brauche eine Bombe.
I'm gonna need some explosives to help the mutants escape through the underworks. You have any?
Good thing you asked the only girl on this planet who always carries a little nitro in her pocket for just such an occasion. I can make you some explosives, but not something I can do just anywhere. I could do it in my shed. Got reagents in there and enough room to work. It'll keep things safe, relatively speaking.
Ja gut. Zum Schuppen von Amelia. Was haben wir denn da? Der Maulwurf? Oder er da?
Hello.
What does the man want?
I just want to know more about Phobos and Scum, if you wouldn't mind talking.
He knows nothing of those names. Those names are not from the pen.
All right. You don't want to get out of here, do you? Why?
He does. He wants... If we try to leave, we will be killed like dogs.
Charisma. 75%. Muss hinhauen.
Believe it or not, a lot of you have gotten out of here and are living freely now.
Some escaped. Many died. Better in chains than in a grave.
Mein Gott. Über Phobos reden.
I have a feeling you do know Phobos. You know how many times he's fled the city, helped others like you be free? And he's done it alone, which you won't have to do. You'll find help every step of the way. You'll be fine. I know you're scared you'll get caught, and what'll happen to you if you do. But if you take the underwork, you'll reach the place the merchants keep their sand sails. They're your allies. They'll help you escape. You heard of Mutant Valley?
They talk about it like it was paradise. Like a dream. A dream that may not be more than that.
It's as real as your scars. I've seen it. I've been there. Only mutants live there. Free and in peace. There's a crater covered in lichen. No guards, no whips, no forced work. Mutants that are happy. Don't you deserve that too?
I can't stay here while my brothers escape. Tell the chief, I am ready to break free too.
Ja gut, war der erste von 3. Dann brauche ich noch 2. Wie schaut es mit dem aus? Der mag nicht gehen. Aber jeder.
Hey.
Hello, man. Can he help you?
If he can tell me about Scum and Phobos, maybe.
He has never heard those names.
If you're not a mole, why didn't you try to escape with the rest?
He is scared. He has seen brothers caught trying to do so. The brothers were beaten, and worse, there is no escape. There is only death.
Charisma, 100%.
I'll give explosives to your chief. When I give the order, he'll make a breach leading to the underwork. And by going that way, your people can slip into the canyon undetected. No patrols, no violence, and you can finally be free.
Explosives? If we could smuggle that in, then... Yes, we could. Yes, I'm beginning to believe. Maybe we can succeed. Count me in.
Okay, überzeugt. Einen noch. Einen brauche ich noch. Da hinten weg. So viel Gewicht. Scheiße. Wieder mal geh. Hier da.
Hi.
Hi. What can he do for the man?
He can tell me what he knows about Phobos and Scum.
He knows only they're mutant rebels. Escaped with many mutants to create a mutant nation that is the enemy of Mother Abundance. Traitors who were hiding far from here. Somewhere he does not know.
Well, looks like we found our mole.
Daher Maulwurf. Flung, ey.
Are they a bunch of pussies?
Ja gut, das war der Maulwurf.
Get hungry to kick some ass. What the hell do you need to convince them for?
They're scared, Amelia. Their spirits have been broken.
I know, but they got a chance to be free. Get excited.
Ja, ist ja gut.
Just saying.
Keine Panik.